What if I told you that you could live like a millionaire in Thailand for just $1,000 a month? Sounds impossible, right? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. Imagine waking up in a luxury apartment with a pool, enjoying gourmet meals every day, and even treating yourself to spa days and weekend getaways. All for less than what most people spend on rent alone back home. In this video, we'll break down everything, from housing and food to transportation and entertainment, all for under $1,000. Whether you're dreaming of becoming a digital nomad, planning your next big adventure, or just curious about how far your money can go, this is the ultimate guide to living large on a budget. Stick around till the end because I'll also share tips to avoid common pitfalls and make your transition to Thailand smooth and stress-free. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in. Let's start with the biggest expense: housing. In Thailand, you can rent a modern studio apartment with a pool for just $500 a month. Compare that to renting a tiny apartment in New York or London for 10 times the price. For example, in Chiang Mai, a popular spot for digital nomads, you'll find fully furnished apartments with amenities like gyms, pools, and even co-working spaces nearby. These apartments are perfect if you want comfort and convenience without breaking the bank. If you're looking for something even cheaper, co-living spaces start at around $300 a month. These are ideal if you want to meet like-minded people while keeping costs low. Plus, many co-living spaces come with perks like weekly cleaning services and high-speed internet. Pro tip: use platforms like Airbnb or local rental websites to find deals. Always negotiate the price, especially if you're staying long-term. Trust me, landlords are often willing to cut you a deal. Next up, food. Eating out every day in Thailand costs just $5 to $10 per meal. That's right, you can enjoy 3 delicious meals a day for less than what you'd pay for one meal back home. For $2, you can grab a bowl of authentic pad Thai from a street vendor. It's fresh, flavorful, and filling. Street food is not only affordable but also a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture. From grilled skewers to fresh fruit shakes, the options are endless. And if you're in the mood for something fancier, fine dining restaurants offer gourmet meals for as little as $15. Imagine paying $15 for a dish that would cost you $50 or more in a Western city. Pro tip: stick to local markets and street food for the best value. Avoid touristy areas where prices are inflated. Oh, and don't forget to try mango sticky rice. It's a must. One of my favorite things about living in Thailand is the variety. You can eat street food for breakfast, grab a quick lunch at a local cafe, and splurge on a fancy dinner, all without breaking the bank. In Thailand, eating like a king doesn't mean spending like one. With $10 a day, you can feast like royalty. Now let's talk about getting around. Transportation in Thailand is cheap and convenient. For $50 a month, you can use Grab taxis or public transport to go wherever you need. Grab is like Uber, but often cheaper. A typical ride within the city costs just $1 to $3. If you're staying in a smaller town, public buses and trains are even more affordable. For example, a 2-hour train ride between cities might cost you less than $2. But if you really want to embrace the local lifestyle, rent a motorbike. For $70 a month, you can have your own set of wheels. It's not only cost-effective, but also gives you the freedom to explore hidden gems off the beaten path. Pro tip: always wear a helmet and get an international driver's permit if you plan to ride a motorbike. And if you're new to riding, start with short trips to build confidence. In Thailand, getting around doesn't have to be expensive or stressful. With $50 to $70 a month, you can zip around like a local and see more of this beautiful country. Now let's talk about entertainment and lifestyle. In Thailand, you can indulge in affordable luxury experiences that would cost a fortune back home. For just $20, you can get a full-body massage at a luxury spa. Imagine relaxing in a tranquil setting while skilled therapists work their magic. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long week. If you're looking for a fun and immersive activity, try a Thai cooking class. For as little as $15, you can learn to make authentic dishes like pad Thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice. Not only is it a great way to bond with locals and other expats, but you'll also leave with skills to impress your friends back home. And when it comes to weekend getaways, Thailand has no shortage of stunning destinations. For $100, You can take a quick trip to an island like Koh Samui or Phuket. Spend your days snorkeling, lounging on the beach, or exploring local markets. Pro tip: plan your trips during the off-peak season to save even more money. You'll avoid crowds and often get better deals on accommodations and activities. And if you're taking a cooking class, book directly through local schools instead of tourist agencies to save money. In Thailand, luxury isn't reserved for the wealthy. With a little planning, you can enjoy spa days, cooking classes, and weekend escapes without breaking the bank. Living in Thailand is amazing, but like any new adventure, it comes with its own set of challenges. Don't worry. These are easy to navigate if you know what to expect. First up, language barriers. While many locals speak some English, especially in tourist areas, you might still encounter situations where communication is tricky. The solution? Use tools like Google Translate or download offline translation apps. They're lifesavers when ordering food, asking for directions, or handling paperwork. Next, cultural differences. Thailand is known as the land of smiles, and politeness is highly valued. Always respect local customs, like removing your shoes before entering someone's home or a temple, and avoid raising your voice in public. A little effort goes a long way in building positive relationships. Finally, healthcare. Thailand has excellent medical facilities, but it's always wise to have health insurance. Plans tailored for expats are affordable and give you peace of mind in case of emergencies. Research options like Safety Wing or local providers before you arrive. Pro tip: join expat Facebook groups or forums to connect with others who've been through the same challenges. They're a goldmine of advice and support. With a bit of preparation, you can overcome these challenges and fully enjoy everything Thailand has to offer. So there you have it. How to live like a millionaire in Thailand for just $1,000 a month. From luxury housing and gourmet meals to affordable transportation and weekend getaways, Thailand offers an incredible lifestyle for a fraction of the cost. For $500, you can rent a modern apartment with a pool. For $10 a day, you can eat like royalty. And for $50 to $70 a month, you can zip around the country like a local. Plus, you can indulge in spa treatments, cooking classes, and island escapes without breaking the bank. Living in Thailand isn't just about saving money. It's about embracing a slower pace of life, immersing yourself in a rich culture, and creating unforgettable memories. Whether you're a digital nomad, a retiree, or just someone looking for a change, Thailand has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Let me know in the comments where you'd love to live abroad or if you've already made the move to Thailand. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and remember, living like a millionaire doesn't have to be a dream. With $1,000 a month, you can make it a reality in Thailand. See you in the next video!